Go, go, go! Faster! Faster! 3, 2, 1. Come on, police car! You can do it!
How is his little car faster than mine? This isn't fair!
No, my police car.
Good morning, everyone! Are you ready to hear today's exam results?
I really hope I did well in my exams.
Everyone, I am ready to announce the results. Let's see who got the highest marks. And the student who got first place in the entire class is... Congratulations, baby cat! You got first place in the entire class!
Yes! I got first place! I can't believe it! Papa is going to be so proud of me! I can't wait to tell him! Papa, look! I got first place in my class!
I am so proud of you, my son. You worked very hard for this.
You did something wonderful today, baby cat. I have a special surprise for you.
Wow! What is it, Papa? Wow! A police car! Is this really for me?
Yes, son! You earned this gift with your hard work and success.
Thank you, Papa! I love it! This is gonna be so much fun! Wow! Look at the lights! It's working! Come on, little police car! Let's explore the whole garden! Go, go, go! Faster! Faster! Yes! I made the perfect turn! Whoa! That was awesome! Let's do it again!
Hey, baby cat! Look at my new car! It's much bigger and strong.
Wow, that's a big car. Let's see whose car is the fastest.
Get ready, baby cat! My car is going to win.
I'm ready! Let's race! 3, 2, 1. Come on, police car! You can do it! I'm catching up! You can't escape my car! Yes! I'm in the lead! Wait! Slow down! I'm coming after you! Ah! Whoa! That was amazing!
How is his little car faster than mine? This isn't fair!
If I can't win the race, I won't let him win either.
Whoa! I didn't mean to...
No, my police car. police car is broken. I loved it so much. Papa! Baby dog crashed into my car and broke it.
Don't worry, son. Your happiness is more important to me. One day, I will give you an even better car.
I will work hard and save enough money to make my son's dream come true.
Today, I have a very special surprise for you.
Really, Papa? What is it? Wow, a real police car. Is that my new car?
Yes, son, you worked hard, and I worked hard too. This is my special gift for you.
I'm really sorry, baby cat. I was jealous, and I shouldn't have broken your car.
I forgive you. I also made a mistake when I got angry. Let's be friends again. Being a winner isn't about having the biggest car. It's about being a good friend. And I promise I will never let jealousy ruin our friendship again. What a beautiful day! I can't wait to get home. Oh no! Are you hurt, little butterfly? Don't be scared. I'll take care of you and help you get better. Where are you going? Come back! I've never seen this forest before. I wonder where that butterfly is taking me. This place is amazing! Everything looks so magical. Wow! Look at that giant tree!
Little friend, can you help me?
Wait, did you just talk to me?
Magical flowers are dying. Without them, this forest will lose its magic.
Don't worry, I'll do everything I can to save your forest.
Baby cat, what are you doing here? I'm trying to save this magical forest. Will you help me?
Wow, I've never seen a tree like this before.
The magical flowers need the power of the water crystal to bloom again.
Come on, baby dog. Let's find the magical water crystal.
Let's go! We have to save the forest.
The path looks difficult, but we can't give up now. You're right. Let's climb together. Hold on, I've got you. Thanks, buddy. Let's keep going. The butterfly made it across. Now we need to find a way over. Be careful, baby cat. Don't look down. I'm trying. This is harder than I thought. The crystal must be inside that cave. Then let's go in together. Look, I think we found the magical water crystal. It's trapped behind that giant rock.
It's too heavy! I can't move it!
Don't give up. We can do this together.
Let's push together. On 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's moving!
Keep pushing.
We did it! The magical water crystal!
It's even more beautiful than I imagined. Uh-oh, what's happening? We need to get the crystal back to the magical tree quickly. Hurry! We have to protect the crystal.
Oh no! The crystal!
We can't let it get away! Wait, I have an idea. Grab my hand, baby cat.
I've got you! it! We couldn't have done it without each other.